This month, we're showing you a peek inside Stephen M. Goldsmith's book, Polishing and Finishing for Jewellers and Silversmiths. Polishing is a highly skilled specialist craft, and a professional finish can transform your pieces of jewellery into a work of art. Stephen began his polishing career at 15 years old and has gone on to do amazing things, such as restoring famous pieces like the Grand Punch Bowl in the Jewel House of the Tower of London. Now with 50 years in the trade and known as a leading master polisher in the industry, he felt that he has reached his time to pass on his knowledge to the next generation. In this practical book, you will learn all about setting up your workshop, with a guide to tools, equipment and materials needed, including information on barrel polishers, ultrasonic cleaners, pendant motors, brushes, felts, mops, to the many compounds you can use. You'll discover how to prepare your creations, plus finishing methods, including how to achieve a satin finish and an insight into oxidizing. Advanced methods of polishing are also featured, including information on engraving, PMC and gilding. You'll also find inspiring step-by-step examples of polishing bangles, wedding rings and cutlery, as well as showing finished photographs showcasing a range of exquisite work. We love the clear photos and guides, as well as top tips and health and safety guidance shared throughout. We've been lucky enough to meet Stephen when he popped by on his holidays to see us here in Cornwall. You'll find our interview with Stephen over on the blog, as well as a polishing Q&A where he answers all of your burning questions on polishing. If you think it's time to up your polishing game, go and grab this popular book online now, and don't forget to check out our range of polishing supplies online too.